Hey everyone, it's your boy Philip again, and I'm coming to you with another premium thread box or Threadbeast unboxing. So with this one, they gave me a 45% off discount code, and I also got an additional item since one of the items in my last box was marked as a large, but it was nowhere near a large. And as always, I'm going to break down the prices of everything that I have because I've looked it up already online, so I already know what everything the value is. Start out with yet another pair of PSD underwear. They're comfortable. I mean, I really have no knock on them whatsoever. They're valued at $15. Now this is the shirt that I like the most out of everything. It's called La Familia. And I said I just love the way it looks. It's by Familia Forever. It's a $20 shirt. Really super nice. I like that a lot. Now a lot of people get the same style of clothing by Elwood. I looked them up and it's actually a pretty decent shirt. I like it a lot. It's a camo t-shirt jersey. Value's about $25 for this. Really nice. I'm definitely gonna wear it. The next one is a Caton. I'm not sure where they're at, but it's Surfside, California. Long sleeve. Definitely like this thing a lot. Getting a lot of use out of that during the wintertime in San Diego. That's a $38 shirt. Another brand that a lot of people have opened up and got is called Young and Reckless. Here it is right here. It's pretty nice. I like it and everything. I'm just hoping that's gonna fit me in the shoulders and the back area. When I start trying everything on, we will find out. And then I got another button-up large shirt. I like this one a lot too. It's called Jackish, something like that. And hopefully that one fits too. Next, I got these. They're called Bank Journal pants. I really like them a lot. They're really cool. They have a tag in here? Yeah, and they have a tag in here, and you can see right there in the tag that they're $70. So that is the retail price of them. Not bad. And then my last item is called Rising Sun. Some black jeans. I like these a lot. Also, I'll be wearing them quite often. And they also came with a price tag, which I'll show you right here. So that's straight off of Nordstrom's rack. So the value of everything is around $250 for all the items that I just unboxed. Great value for me, especially since I only paid 45% of the $138 that you would normally pay. So next I'm going to do is I'm going to try everything on and show you how I look with everything on and how it fits. So this is the first shirt that I'm trying on. It's the Jash shirt. I really like it. It's comfortable. It fits. So I have absolutely no issues with this one. So this is the Young and the Reckless shirt. I like it a lot. It's got a nice pocket. It's got a cool logo. Fits great. I have no issues whatsoever with this one. This is the long sleeve Caton one. I like it a lot. It's a little snug, but you can see the logo on the back. Otherwise, very comfortable, and I like this shirt also. And this was my favorite shirt that I liked out of the entire box. In fact, it was my favorite article. I just really like the picture and the logo and everything. A little tight, but that's on me, not on them. And hopefully I'll be losing some weight here to make this thing fit a lot better and look even better on me. So these are the Rising Sun jeans. They're what's called a stretch fit. As you can see, they stretch out a little bit. Nice and comfortable. I have no issues whatsoever with these jeans. So these are the Bank Journal ones. I thought they might be a little short, but they actually come down perfectly If you're wearing a nice boot or something like that, these things will be perfect with it. Love these things too. I got no issues whatsoever. And remember, like always, if you like the video, you like what I'm doing, like it, subscribe, leave a comment below. Thanks, and thanks again, Threadbeast.